Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include satellite radio, rear view camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, sports steering wheel. Take a ride in the 2016 WRX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.